This is Health and Hair and Wellness with the Perfect Choice Blowout. All hair care treatments start out with about a 5-minute rinse in order to remove any type of buildup, product, and oils that are on the hair that may interfere with the shampoo. The Perfect Choice DHT Blocking Shampoo serves as a clarifier for the hair and a deep pore cleanser for the scalp. A variety of essential oils are used to treat the scalp for abnormalities and to stimulate the follicles for hair growth. All 4 parts of the Perfect Choice DHT Blocking Hair Growth System contain apple stem cells to stimulate the follicles to accelerate the growth rate of the hair. The DHT Blocking Shampoo is powerful enough to thoroughly cleanse the hair and the scalp with a single shampoo. To get the maximum benefits out of the DHT Blocking Shampoo, you want to focus on the scalp. Hair growth starts in the scalp. So as I move through her hair, I am focusing on the scalp to make sure that I clean it very good and remove any debris that may be on her scalp. As you will notice with all of this agitation that you do not see any bubbles. The reason you do not see any bubbles is because it is removing the oil and dirt from the hair. The bubbles of the shampoo are absorbing all of the dirt, oil buildup, and debris on the hair and scalp. The DHT Blocking Shampoo is powerful enough to thoroughly cleanse the scalp and hair to where you do not have to shampoo the hair 2 and 3 times. This is the second shampoo. Even though it is not required, my clients are accustomed to receiving 3 shampoos because they've been spoiled by the massage to their scalp. But I want you to notice how the hair is sudding up the second time on the second shampoo. That lets me know her hair was cleaned very well the first time. Now I am moving on to the Perfect Choice DHT Blocking Treatment. In much the same way that I distribute the shampoo throughout the scalp first, I will distribute the DHT Blocking Treatment directly to the scalp and kind of finger comb the hair to move the conditioner from roots to ends. I use the DHT Blocking Treatment very sparingly because a little bit goes a long way. This isn't a product that I have to overuse. In addition to moisturizing the hair, it also detangles it as I'm applying the treatment throughout her hair. The DHT Blocking Treatment has a low molecular weight, which means that the molecules are small enough to penetrate both the hair shaft and the scalp. Another reason why I apply the treatment directly to the scalp first is it gives the product time to treat the scalp while I am detangling her hair. Now I'm going to rinse her down with cool water to lock in the moisture, then move on to the blow dry. The Ice Cream Dessert for Growing Your Hair and the Remedy Hair Growth Fuel are 2 products that have multiple uses. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how I use the ice cream and the Remedy oil as a leave-in and primer for the hair before the blow dry. Here I am using a super absorbent microfiber towel to absorb the water out of the hair. I do not use friction or go back and forth in the hair because I don't want to cause any unnecessary damage to the hair. Excessive friction to the hair while it's wet can cause damage. Here I'm about to take somewhere between a nickel and a quarter size amount of ice cream with about 5 drops of the Remedy hair oil to use as the leave-in and primer for her hair. I slowed the video down right here just so you can see how easy it is for me to comb through her hair. I do detangle the rest of her head. I'm not going to show all that part, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to detangle the hair using the ice cream and the Remedy mix. Now it's time for the blow dry. I want you to notice how smooth the porcupine brush gets her hair. Now mind you, she has the KMB amino acid treatment on her hair and her hair has been trained. She primarily wears it straight. We've always done thermal smoothing on her hair for like the past year, so her hair does behave. I want you to notice how easy it is to get her hair blow dried straight with a single pass. It doesn't require excessive heat. The blow dry takes all in all of about 15 to 20 minutes with the round brush. Now I'm giving her hair a cold blast to close those cuticles of the hair shaft. The methodology that I use when pressing the hair is a single pass. Either on that pass the hair is going to be styled straight or the hair is going to be curled, but I only do the one pass. The temperature that I typically use on the hair is no more than 400 degrees. Very rarely do I crank my irons up to 450 degrees. That is not necessary to get the hair straight, as you can see. And this concludes the Perfect Choice Blowout. If you have any questions about the Perfect Choice, contact Health and Hair and Wellness at healthandhaironline.com.